Hey guys, this is Jad here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that it's in your truck and some people don't know that you have it, or you saw it and then it was just all of a sudden disappear from your truck, and then you think the truck is broken or something wrong with it. Okay, that will be the gear shift indicator that it's on your dashboard, on your little heads-up display. Okay, it'll show your speeds. Like my truck is 1 through 6. It'll show you that when you're shifting, and there are ways to turn it off and there's ways to turn it back on. Okay, just stay tuned. Today I'm gonna talk about something that somebody asked me this morning about my truck because they saw it. It's the gear shift indicator that it should be here. So I have a 2016 F150 5.0. It has 6 speeds. Okay, so they say that it disappeared. I'm having problems with it. I don't see it, the indicator. So no, there's nothing wrong with your truck. Okay, it actually happens. So for example, right now I have it on drive, right? So if I go put the shifter on park, it'll disappear. Okay, so if I go back, put it on drive, it'll come back. Okay, stay there. Now another way to turn it off is on your shifter. So in my truck, so you can see that my truck has the shifter right here next to the steering wheel. Okay, I don't have the center console like other trucks do, so mine is right here. So for mine to turn it off and on, it's right here. So if I hit the plus button, it will go off. If I hit it again, it comes back on. Okay, see that? So if you're having problems and it's for some reason it disappears on you or anything and you don't see it, just hit that plus button here and it should come back. Just remember, it has to be on drive. If it's in park here, it won't come back, it won't come on. Okay, so it has to be on drive, and that's how it works. Okay, all right, I just wanted to kind of like explain that. Had a friend that came over and saw it, and he was telling me he was having problems with his, and he was very surprised when I told him that there was nothing wrong with the truck. That was just that button that you had to hit in there. Okay, alright guys, well, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, like the video, share with your friends. Okay, appreciate you guys support. Alright guys, see you later.